Hello and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. I got a very exciting video for you today. It's going to be a long one. Okay, we are going to install the handrail from MORryde onto the StepAbove steps. It's not going to be that exciting. So anyway, it comes with a little screw pack. It's very easy to install. Now if you look at our door, we have this one on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this one on for now until we decide if we like the other one or not. One of the bad things with this being on, when you close the steps up, it'll be sticking out, but I don't think it's going to really matter. We're not going to be in there with the steps up. You know, that doesn't make sense to me unless it's snowing real hard or something. Maybe we'll put the steps up, but other than that, I don't think it'll matter. So, all right, let's get this thing mounted up and get it into this long video. Okay, that's all you have. And then in your screw pack, let's get that there. In your screw pack, you have 2 bolts and 4 bolts and 4 flat washers. All you need for this is a 7/16 wrench or ratchet. So let's get these washers on these bolts first. Surprised it didn't come with lock nuts. Okay, so we want to hold it up here. Get one in. Get that started a few turns. We'll do the other one. All right, then we'll get the bottom too. And this one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get these tightened up and we'll get back to you. Okay, one thing I might add is if you are keeping this on for right now, open it up before you put this on. So I'm gonna take it back off and we'll be right back. Okay, I decided since I had to take it back off, put it back on again, I'd go new school instead of old school. All right, so one thing I would recommend, if you are keeping this on, I would maybe put some Loctite on the threads just to hold it on there if you're not gonna be taking it off. If we decide to keep it and take this off, I'll probably take this back off and add some Loctite. Okay, it's very sturdy, a lot sturdier than this. One thing is you will have a void in here without this being on. I don't know if they sell something else that comes up a little higher, but I'd be afraid once you lifted your steps up, it may hit the floor or something. So we're going to lift this up and see what it looks like inside. Go ahead, Beck. Okay, that's it. It is in a way a little bit of getting through, but not bad. It's definitely doable. And if there was something coming up a little higher, it may actually hit the floor. Hold on, I want to do it myself. Now we do have the lift assist, so I just want to see if I can lower it with this. So no problem at all. We could probably pull it up with that also. Oh yeah, no problem. So you wouldn't need a rope or something or getting down on your hands and knees to close it. Okay, so we're going to try it out and see how we like it. And if I do decide to take this off, I'm going to see if I can find somebody to fix the side of the camper, get rid of those holes, or put something over it just so it's not so ugly. What else, Rebecca?
Well, I'm not a fan
Of the opening. Yes.
So I would say even if we do decide to keep this, I would also want to keep that.
Okay, we might end up doing that. You know, you never know.
Especially for my mom. This is
Yes,
nice.
this is nice because it's lower, yeah.
And she's not going to be like pulling herself up with that one. I'm always afraid it's going to rip right
Yeah,
off
I know.
the
There's
side.
sometimes when she's going up the steps, she's moving this pretty good.
But then I'm also afraid if she's coming up and that gap's there.
Yep.
So
Yep.
I like this down here, but
Okay.
I would also use it. I would not want to take that off.
Okay, well, we'll try it for a while and see. And I think we're camping with her in April.
Yes.
I think end of April. So we'll see how she likes it and go from there.
And another thing I like about that one
I know.
is when you shut
I know
your
where you're
door,
going. Yes.
when you shut your door and you put that over, it's almost like
Yeah.
a kind of an extra peace of mind safety thing if
Okay.
the door were to unhitch
While you're driving.
while you're driving.
Okay, but
at least you've got that.
But when we're at the campsite and we leave for a few hours or whatever, Becky likes to close this in case the cat or the dog reach up and open the door.
Right.
So she can't do that now.
Right.
So that's, and one positive side of that is if you're at your campsite inside sleeping, somebody can't come by and close this and possibly lock you inside the camper. Now, luckily on our slide, we have a window here that we could reach out and open it, but not every camper is set up like that. Okay, anything else?
No.
Okay, I will leave a link in the description, and it'll be an Amazon affiliate. So if you want, order it through there, and I'll get maybe 2 cents. All right, so once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time. Bye.